Hello everyone, in this video I will be showcasing the functionality for an Anagrams game that I created for my networking class. If you're unfamiliar with what Anagrams is, essentially two players will play against each other. They'll be given 6 random letters and they'll have to spell as many words as they can with those letters. And the player who can get the highest score is determined by how long the letter or how long the words are and how many words that the player created. And the player with the highest score wins. So let's demonstrate how we can start up a server and play against an opponent. And disclaimer before I start the demonstration, the reason I have 2 windows open here is because I don't have another computer to demonstrate with. But if you had this program downloaded on one computer and another computer, you could be able to play with that other person. Okay, now with that being said, let's create a game. So if we create a game here, we'll see our player on the left here is waiting for a player to join, right? So let's get our player on the right into this lobby. But before we join the correct IP, let's do it wrong by just one number here as 52 instead of 53. If we try to join, no games being hosted on that IP, so we won't be able to join. Yes, and our program's gonna time out. So let's join the correct one this time. Okay, when we join the game, our player on the left will be notified that a player is in the lobby and we can ready up and play the game. But before we do that, let's see what happens if I leave this player on the right, if I leave the game. You'll see that this player on the left will be prompted that the player has left and they're waiting for another player to join. Let's join back again, and let's see what happens when the host actually decides to close the game. If he closes the game, it'll say the host stopped the connection and we won't be able to play. All right. Now let's get an actual game running. So let's join this game and we can ready up here and we're ready to go, and this player on the left is also ready. All right, and once that starts, the game will be started. So there's 6 random words here and we have to spell as many of these as we can. So let's say on the left here we try to do the word rend. If we try to do it again, it's not going to work because the word's already found, and if we try to do a word that doesn't exist, then the word will say it's not found. So let's try to make this a closer game. All right. Now, after the timer runs out, you'll see that I'm not sure which player is which since the windows overlapped each other, but we'll see here that our player here on the left, we won because we got more words and we had a word that was, well, I guess we didn't have a word that was longer, but we just had more words than the other opponent. And because of that, the other opponent lost. And if we exit out of these, we can ready up and play another game if we want to. And we can keep guessing these words. Let's say hat, chat, chant. Let's see, over here we do chan, chat, tan. And oh, we got a pretty close game here. Let's go tan. Oh, that word's already found. Than, and massive comeback for the player on the right. Here we go. And yeah, that is pretty much the extent of this program. Thank you guys for watching.